Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, today I'm back with another and interesting story. So, let us begin. So, before I start the story, we should know the importance of listening story. Listening to stories is a valuable tool for personal growth, empathy building, and community building. So, children, let us begin the story. The title of the story is What Do I Get for Mimi? Madhav had a goat. She was named Mimi. Madhav loved Mimi a lot. Mimi also kept roaming around Madhav. Mimi's color was white and brown. Her ears were big. Mimi's hair shined a lot. Mimi's eyes were lovely. Mimi was very soft. Madhav petted her the whole day. He carried her around in his arms. Madhav liked the feel of Mimi's soft ears. Mimi was completing 1 year. Mimi's birthday arrived. Madhav wanted to celebrate her birthday. He wanted to buy a gift for Mimi. Madhav asked his mother for money for Mimi's gift. Mummy gave him 20 rupees. Madhav gave Mimi a bath. He took Mimi and went towards the market. Madhav was holding Mimi's rope. After some time, Madhav let go of the rope. Mimi immediately started to branch around. Madhav loved to watch Mimi branch. First shop in the market was a halwai. There were lots of sweets in the shop. The halwai had lots of laddus and gulab jamuns. He also had a lot of milk, curds and sharbat. Madhav suddenly saw the sweets laying on the other side. There were rasgullas, jalebi and peras. Madhav wondered, what should he buy for Mimi? How would a plate of jalebis be? Next shop was of clothes. Many people were buying clothes at the shop. There were shirts, kurtas and pajamas hanging. Some clothes were kept in glass cupboards. Madhav looked at the shirts. He saw yellow, blue, green and pink shirts. Madhav wondered, what should he get for Mimi? How would a red dotted shirt be? The next shop was of utensils. There were many utensils in the shop. There were many utensils of steel. There were some pots of copper too. Madhav started looking at all the utensils. There were plates, bowls, spoons and glasses. Madhav wondered what to buy for Mimi. How would a bowl of milk be? The next shop was of a blacksmith. There were different things at his shop. There were griddle, ladles, chains and lots of nails. The blacksmith was making something at the hot furnace. The blacksmith was making something at the hot furnace. Madhav looked all around. Madhav started thinking what to buy for Mimi. He saw ghungroos. Madhav bought ghungroos for Mimi. Madhav tied the ghungroos on both legs of Mimi. The ghungroos were strung on a pretty red thread. Mimi jumped and pranced and went with Madhav. Everyone listened to the sound of her ghungroos. So children, I hope you liked the story very much. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.